ABS, mag-focus kayo sa sarili nyong talent. Huwag kayong mang-shade ng ibang talent kasi hindi siya nakaka-premium talaga, ABS. Hi there! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nika, your Tita 18 right here. And tonight, we are going to be reacting to Miss O's upload. And it is called This Network Posted This SB19 Clip for a Devious Reason. Pero iba ang naging reaksyon na manunood. It's very intriguing, diba? It's very controversial from the title itself. So let's see what it is all about and let's react based on what we see from Miss O's video. So let's go mga kakaps ko. ABS.
This network posted this SB19 clip for a devious reason, pero iba ang naging reaction ng manonood.
What do you expect? Well, what do we all expect?
Some fans are questioning this network's motives kung bakit sa haba ng live performance ng SB19 sa Bench Bodywork 2025 ay etong particular clip pa ang napiling i-post.
Oh, when Ken slipped. Yeah, when he tripped. Oh, that's questionable.
May gusto itong mangyari, lalo na't ang video ng kanilang girl group na sila din ang nag-post ay umani ng negatibong reaksyon sa ASAP live performance nito.
I was on Facebook and nakita ko lang siya. So I was curious as well, okay? I was curious and then pinanood ko siya. Sayang wala akong video ng mukha ko, pero sobrang I really wish for the girls to succeed, you know. And we all know that everyone gets tired. They are artists, they are singers, that their vocals get tired as well. If you saw that video, you can actually see a lot of negative comments, especially not from 18. Actually, they are from casuals. They are from the public, you know, public who watch ASAP. So, hindi na nanggaling sa atin yun. I just wish for them to meet success in the future as well. And the world domination that they really aim for as well.
Well, kahit na etong clip ang pinili nilang i-post, umani pa din ito ng positive comments and reactions.
Sobrang!
Mas lalong napabilib ang mga manonood sa professionalism at galing ni Ken na kahit nadulas, he didn't even falter.
Exactly!
At sa halip, he turned and went right back to the choreo. Mas mapapabilib ka pa nga sa
You won't even notice it if you're not just looking at Ken, because I was looking at Ken because he's my bias, right? So I really notice and I know the choreography as well. I know the routine, their dance routine, so I know exactly what happened to him and it caught my attention right away. And as a CCU, I was like, oh my God, Ken, what happened to you? He tripped and he actually tripped twice, but questionable talaga yung ganitong post ng ABS kasi sa dinami-dami nga namang pwedeng i-post, 'di ba? So maybe they're hoping na magiging negative din yung reaction ng mga tao, magiging negative din yung mga comments ng mga tao. Pero ayan, nakita naman siguro ng lahat na napaka-professional. Talagang nakabawi agad si Ken and he did it seamlessly. Very professionally handled, kumbaga.
at liksi ng kanyang katawan. At marahil, ito ang napiling i-highlight ng network na ito dahil when it comes to live
ABS.
vocals, dance prowess,
Exactly.
stage charisma, wala na silang masasabi pa.
I just can't with the way how they make their narratives about SB19. I just hope na really they find success with their girl group. Not against Binny, it's just the management. Parang sobrang bitter ng management, sobrang minamadali nila yung Binny, and you can see it from their performances. Like, there were comments there that they performed right away in ASAP right after their concert. Tama ba yun? Like, they had a concert and then the next day, pagod yung katawan, pagod yung boses. Pero again, minadali sila. So, hindi problema ng Binny yun. So, wag natin ipukol lahat ng hate towards Binny. It's just that we have to really get the attention of the management. Kasi yung management talaga yung nagdadala nito eh. Walang say, yung bini nito, hindi sila kasi hawak sila. Unlike SB19, they handle their own themselves, like hindi siya nakaka-premium considering na ABS to. Dapat alam mo na yun, matagal na silang nag-handle ng mga artist pero talagang parang merong negative undertone na mga pinopost nila, especially sa post na ito. Sa dinami-daming parts na ang ganda-ganda ng pagka-perform na sobrang flawless, yun talaga yung napili nila. Hoping na talagang may masabi yung mga tao, pero wala eh. Ang daming nag-comment. Mas marami pang naging 18. I knew it. Maraming magko-convert. Maraming na-convert to 18. Alam nilang andyan yung SB19. Alam nila yung mapa. Alam nila yung Bazinga siguro. Alam nila yung Gento. Pero talaga, they never really delve into SB19's discography. And then after watching SB19 perform, if you're a casual, kung hindi ka pa ma-convert, ewan ko na lang kung ano ka. Ewan ko na lang kung ano yung taste mo when it comes to music and when it comes to the artistry of an artist. Kasi pure art, pure talent yung pinapakita ng ating mahalimad. I'm really hoping na mahimasmasan yung inggit. How I cannot really find any other reason why they would do such move like this. Kung hindi sila talagang jealous or kung hindi sila talagang gustong may maging reaction or bad reaction yung mga tao. Kasi kung wala talaga silang ganun na intention, hindi ito yung pipiliin nilang clip. 'Di ba? Para gawa ng article. Nakakaloka kasi ginigigil ako ng ABS kasi naman 'di ba? Meron silang kanilang grupo. Gusto nila yung grupong talagang mabango lang sa madla, mabango lang sa public is yung Bini lang. I'm really sorry for the girls, but I hope their management gets better at managing them. Huwag silang minamadali para wala nang ganito. Para hindi sila mag-viral dahil sa sintonado sila or hindi sila sabay-sabay. SB19 kasi nagva-viral dahil sa talagang magaling talaga sila. Wala na tayong dapat pang sabihin pa about how SB19 performs kasi bombastic talaga, pasabog talaga yung mga performance nila na parang yung tipong pupunta sila sa stage, yun na yun, talagang inaangkin nila yung stage. Walang big or small venue yung SB19, basta nagpe-perform sila, basta nasa stage sila, talagang ginagawa nila talaga ng paraan na maging the best version of themselves when they are in front of an audience. Kahit isa lang yan. So, kudos talaga sa Onesie Entertainment and sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Onesie Entertainment at sa SB19 kasi they're just so focused on getting better. They're just focused on their goal. Hindi yung parang ganito, ABS, mag-focus kayo sa sarili nyong talent. Huwag kayong mang-shade ng ibang talent kasi siya nakaka-premium talaga, ABS. Yun lang. So, yun na yun mga kakaps ko. I'll see you guys again next time. God bless. Take care. Buyers.